Today, I'm taking you on an immersive journey to one of India's most revered spiritual destinations, the Jagannath Temple in Puri, Odisha. As soon as you step foot in this sacred space, you're enveloped by a sense of history and devotion that's hard to describe. First, let's talk about the history. The Jagannath Temple, dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a form of Vishnu, dates back to the 12th century. Imagine the countless generations of pilgrims who've walked these grounds, each one leaving a piece of their spirit behind. Walking through the grand gates, you'll notice the sheer scale of the temple complex. It's like stepping into another world, where the air is thick with the scent of incense and the sound of devotional songs. The architecture is a stunning example of Kalinga style, with intricate carvings and towering spires that seem to touch the sky. As you move through the temple, you'll encounter the bustling activity of devotees and priests. It's a whirlwind of color and energy. The main sanctum houses the triad deities, Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, each with its own unique significance. One of the most fascinating aspects of the temple is the Rath Yatra, or chariot festival. If you're lucky enough to visit during this time, you'll witness a grand procession that draws millions from around the globe. The deities are placed on massive, ornately decorated chariots and pulled through the streets by throngs of devotees. It's a sight that's both awe-inspiring and deeply moving. Don't miss the temple kitchen, known as the largest in the world. Over 56 varieties of Mahaprasad, the sacred food offering, are prepared here daily. Tasting it is like partaking in a centuries-old culinary tradition. Before you leave, take a moment to just stand and absorb the atmosphere. The Jagannath Temple isn't just about the rituals or the architecture. It's about feeling a part of something timeless and sacred. It's a place where history, spirituality, and culture blend seamlessly, leaving you with a sense of peace and awe. So, if you're a lover of culture and history, the Jagannath Temple in Puri is an experience that shouldn't be missed. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.